If you've been struggling to make money online and you're looking for an easy way out, then you want to make sure you keep watching because this is the perfect video for you. Today I will show you, without having to spend hours and hours of your time and doing a lot of work, you can make $1,500 over and over again in completely passive income thanks to this site here that I've never shown before. This is all possible without having to invest any money whatsoever, with no skills or experience required. And no matter what part of the world you're coming from. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Hello, and so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, and then click on that red subscribe button and turn the shins and you'll get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright guys, so let's get straight into it. The first sign I will be showing you today that is part of this strategy is called findaforum.net. As the name suggests, this site you can find new forums with hundreds of thousands of members in varying nations. You have weight loss, internet marketing, real estate, and so on. And what your first step is when you come on here is to pick one of them. So either pick ones that you were the most passionate about, or just pick a few of them at random and then leave this site be and come over to the second platform that we will be using today, the one that will actually be paying us, and that website is none other than audible.com. Those to be, I reckon I've heard about this site and you know what it is. For those of you who haven't, let me briefly explain. Audible is an Amazon company that sells various audiobooks, and people love these because some of them prefer listening to an audiobook rather than actually reading a book. And the way Audible makes money is through paid memberships. People pay a set amount of money per month and they get access to the audiobooks this site has to offer. With that being said, if you come over to a site called similarweb.com, you will be able to see that in the past month over 25 million people have visited Audible, so it's most definitely a popular site, and this is going to be very important for us. The reason that is because we will be promoting Audible as an affiliate. Now, for those of you who don't like affiliate marketing, and I do know there are quite a bit of you want to keep watching, because Audible's affiliate program is not like an affiliate program with other sites. The way affiliate marketing works, as most of you know, is as follows. You promote some company or product with your affiliate link, and whenever someone makes a purchase through that link, you will get a cut of the product's sale price, or as is commonly known in affiliate marketing, a commission. But here's how Audible's affiliate program works, and the main reason why we want to promote it in the first place. They offer a 30-day free trial, and this is important because it's way easier to convince someone to try out a site through a free trial without having to invest, thus risk any of their own money. And more importantly for you guys as affiliates, you will get paid whenever someone just signs up to the free trial, so they don't have to make a purchase but rather just sign up. This is the crazy part about Audible's affiliate program, and why I said you guys want to keep watching. You will basically be making money by getting people to sign up to a website, not even purchase anything, making it far easier. Anyways, what you want to do now is come over to Google and search for Audible affiliates, and you will need to open this page up, and the first thing you will see when you come here are 3 steps, so to speak, and it's all simple stuff. You will advertise, drive traffic to Audible, and get paid. But that's not all I wanted to show you on this page, because I know that you guys like exact figures, and here you can see exactly how much you will be getting paid. And just check this out, you will earn up $5 every time someone simply signs up for a free trial on this website, and that money can add up quite a bit. If just 10 people sign up, it's already $50, which is not bad at all. Now, in case someone signs up to a paid membership, you will earn an extra $10, so you have potential to earn up to $15 per customer. And if that's not enough, every single audiobook today buy you get 50 cents as well, so there's a lot of potential to make some very good money here. With that said, guys, I recommend reading all the stuff that you have on this page just so you know exactly how this works. I will of course skip that so I don't prolong the video. Once you read all of this and you get a feel for how all this works, you will need to come back up, click on become an affiliate here, then on create Amazon account, and after entering in all your data and creating one, you will want to log in. Now that you have your Audible account, I need to explain how Find a Forum will be our traffic source, because I'm sure most of you are confused. The reason we are using it as a traffic source instead of Facebook or some other social media platform is simple, because on Audible you can grab referral links for specific audiobooks. So you can grab a referral link to an audiobook relating to marketing. For example, you can grab one for weight loss and dieting, whatever it may be, and since you're promoting a specific audiobook, you need a targeted audience, and Final Form offers you just that. You can find forums with people that are interested in marketing specifically or whatever. In my case, as an example, I will go along with the weight loss needs. What you want to do once you pick your niche is go over to Google and search for the most popular or best audiobook in that very same niche. In my case, again, it's weight loss, and so I searched for most popular weight loss audiobooks, and as you could see, I found a bunch of these right here. And when I search for one of them over on Audible, I found it with ease, and check this out, it costs $0 to get it. So just like I said many times over, people don't have to pay for the audiobooks, and that means More people will click on your affiliate link in the US, make you more money anyways. Once you grab the affiliate link for your specific audiobook, you will come over to find a forum and you will share it to all the people on all these forums, and there are literally hundreds of thousands of people using them. This one forum has 50,000 members alone. These forums combined most definitely have 1 million or more members, and that's 1 million potential customers, which is just insane when you think about it. Anyways, in my case, what I can do is basically share my affiliate link and tell all of these people how this audiobook helped me lose weight and that they can grab it for free. And when people see the word free, I can guarantee you that hundreds at the very least will check it out, with many signing up for the free trial and some even purchasing some audiobooks once the free trial expires. Now keep this in mind, you don't want to stick to one niche in order to maximize your profits. I recommend grabbing affiliate links from various audiobooks in various niches and just repeat the process I showed you. Find an audiobook relating to internet marketing, for example. Go over to Google and find the best or most popular audiobooks in said niche, find them over on Audible, and then share them with all the people you can find on these forums. In the best part, you will be earning money in passive income for there, so just share your link and that's it, your work is done. Remember that these forums get new members every single day, so there's a huge chance that people would see and click on your link literally months after it's been shared, if not even years. In any case guys, as you've seen, it's a simple and straightforward strategy to earn money online, and it literally requires no skills or expertise from your side. Anyways, this is it for today's video guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, lotus forward my channel, and in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button on the notifications and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching and I'll see you soon.